Okay, this is the second time the same train passes by. This is the second time, you guys. Sorry for the shakiness. No, but seriously, you guys, this is the second time it passes. And as you can see, we got some abandoned track right here. Used to go on that way into a small industry, but it's been a long time since it's been broken. Used to be a junction right over there, you guys. And yes, we still have mechanical bells, so hopefully Union Pacific doesn't change these into e-bells. Alright, you guys, I swear I did not know that the train was coming until I heard the horn. But yeah, this is the second time it comes. Same train. Alright, you guys, this is Martin Train Productions. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs it up, comment down below. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.